I am going to show you how we have reduced the initial CPC by over 70% in barely a month's time period. They even have a free cleaning offer to attract new patients. All of this, their Google AdWords were falling flat. There was no system to track which clicks were actually turning into calls. They were not spending enough, they were just spending it all at the wrong places. We have started with auditing their accounts. Our approach is to rebuilding from the ground up. We have also launched the dedicated local traffic campaign. That's when we ran the follow-up campaigns. Before working with us, the client was spending heavily and getting almost nothing in return. So after our rebuild, in just 30 days, they have donated Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Amy. Today I am taking you on a deep dive into another case study that proves just how much of a game changer Google Ads can be when done right. I am going to show you how we have reduced the initial CPC by over 70% in barely a month's time period, that too in one of the most competitive markets that is out there, the dentistry. Imagine the position of a client. They have a beautiful new dental clinic, modern equipment, a skilled team ready to help patients, and a location that could serve hundreds of people. But there was only one problem: phone barely rang. The chairs stayed empty, and without any real patients walking in, every day felt like watching opportunities slip away. That's exactly where our client was when they came to us in search of help. Our client runs a modern dental office in central New Jersey. They offer everything from same-day emergency appointments to crowns, root canals, and tooth extractions. They even have a free cleaning offer to attract new patients. But despite all of this, their Google AdWords were falling flat. When they reached out to us, they were running Google Smart Automatic campaign, which basically means they handed the steering wheel to Google without a clear strategy. Their ads were showing up for random irrelevant searches. There were just no location extension to tell people our client was right around the corner, ready to serve with state-of-art facilities. There was no system to track which clicks were actually turning into calls or booked appointments. And here is the kicker: the leads they were getting cost them around $164 each. That's a painful number when the normal cost for a click in your market is between $6 to $25. The challenge in the dental world, dentistry on Google Ads is like a high stakes auction. You are competing against dozens of local clinics, corporate dental chains, and even national brands. Everyone's fighting for the same keyword like emergency dentist near me or dental crown. The CPCs are brutal, and if your campaigns are not laser focused, your budget disappears fast and without any notice. For this client, it was not that they were not spending enough, they were just spending it all at the wrong places. Imagine what happens to your chance of landing new patients in such a crowded marketplace. The audit finding the weak points. So as usual, we have started with auditing their account. So in the audit report, we spotted the weaknesses instantly: no keyword control, no campaign segmentation, no local targeting, no follow-up for interested visitors, and no tracking system to know which ads were working and which were just burning the money. In short, they were flying blind. Our approach is to rebuilding from the ground up. We tore down everything and started fresh. First, we have put in the real conversion tracking in place. Every phone call, form submission, or appointment so now had a number on it. Then we broke the services apart into the focus campaigns. Emergency dental got its own crowns, got their own root canal got theirs. No more one size fits all ads. Every service had a laser targeted setup built to convert. What we did is called the single keyword ad groups, giving each high intent keywords its own ad tailored exactly to what the patient was searching for. We have also launched the dedicated local traffic campaigns targeting people extensively within a 10-mile radius, adjusting bids for mobile users and making sure our ads appeared right when people were in the pain, panicking and searching for immediate help. And here is where it gets interesting. Remember the free cleaning campaign the client offered, which nobody was utilizing? So we ran a campaign just for that. It worked like a powerful lead magnet. People came in for their free cleaning, and during the visit many discovered they had other issues like the cracked teeth, cavities or gum concerns. That's when we ran the follow-up campaigns, converting these free visits into the full treatments. It was not just about filling a schedule for one day, it was about building trustworthy long-term patient relationships in one visit. So now in terms of the result, before working with us, the client was spending heavily and getting almost nothing in return. The few leads they did cost $164. There was just no way to scale with such a high cost per conversion. So after a rebuild, in just 30 days, they have donated 83 qualified leads at the cost of only $49.21 per lead. That's a 70% drop in cost per lead in one of the toughest markets to advertise in. All this in just 1 month. The free cleaning campaign filled their chairs. The remarketing campaigns brought patients back for high value treatments, and the local targeting made sure they were not even wasting the money on clicks from people miles away who would never visit. So now the takeaway: in competitive industries like the dentistry one, you can't just run the ads and hope for the best. You need precision targeting, constant testing, and a system to turn clicks into the real customers. This client did not succeed because they spent more money. They have succeeded because they took help and spent smarter. So if your business is stuck in getting clicks but no real results, remember, it's about how much you spend. So it is about how well you spend. This is exactly what we do. We take struggling campaigns and turn them into the growth machines. So if you have any campaigns running in the similar niche, you can contact us for the free audit. There is a phone number on the top right corner. You can contact us on WhatsApp. We will be able to look at your account, and then we can let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. But on the other side of things, if you do not have any campaign running, then don't worry about it. Just share with us some basic information like the website URL, the monthly budget and the location targeting. We will be able to do the research, and then we can get back with a plan of action on what you can do to bring your business online to the next level. Thank you for watching the video. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon so you do not miss the next success stories.